There was a time when I was an orthopedic registrar और मैं यही surgeries consultants के shoulder पे खड़े होकर या पीछे से observe कर सीखता था. That was a time, and today is a time when the clock has turned and I am in a privileged position to help my peers and young and upcoming surgeons learn the art of direct anterior approach to hip replacement. So what changed? What changed was my experience. What changed was my belief. But what didn't change is the hunger. It was a hunger to learn, and now it's the hunger to teach. 6 years back, as a young training surgeon, I moved from India to Australia. On the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, I met my mentor and a true friend who taught me the future of hip replacement surgeries. David Rodda was my mentor, and he trained me on the anterior approach to hip replacement. Using the techniques that I learned from David and bringing the precision with my instruments in India, आज हम forefront पे हैं of this change to bring about more changes and more development to hip replacement surgeries across the country. आज मैं privileged हूँ on training more than 50 surgeons across this country, and I'll keep doing what I have to for the betterment of our patients.